Hello, David Kneebone from Lodge Rentals. I thought I'd talk about the sales market a little bit first before talking about the Hamilton residential rental market. So at the moment in Hamilton, listings are down, which is not uncommon at this time of the year. In the winter, the listings are traditionally a little bit less. The market is buoyant and both first home buyers and investors are very active in the market. The average time to sell a property at the moment is 35 days, so that indicates that it is a very strong market. And of course, one of the big overriders that's encouraging everybody is the prospect of interest rates staying low, and if not going even lower. I've been doing some calculations lately, and it's really interesting. We're back to this time of the market where, believe it or not, it's actually cheaper now to buy a property in a lot of price segments than it is to actually rent, which sounds amazing. So, for example, I was looking at a nice 2-bedroom townhouse in Jones Crescent, which is just by the hospital. It's the sort of area that we look upon as our bread and butter of the rental. They're always in demand and they rent very well, and they attract very good tenants in that it's hospital staff, nurses and doctors and so forth. So this particular unit has an asking price of $409,000. It's 2 bedrooms, has an internal access, single garage, and it's walking distance to the hospital. So it's the sort of thing that would just rent every day of the week. Now, looking at that particular property, and it's just one that I've just pulled out just now, the very first one that I looked at, that to give you an example. But so if you borrowed the entire $409,000, that's not even saying that you're going to bargain and get a little bit less than the $409,000. The interest component on that at 3.69%, 3.69, tipped to possibly go a little bit lower even. But so the interest rate on that's $290 a week. The rates are around $50 odd, and the insurance are around $30 a week. So you're looking at around $370 a week for your interest, rates and insurance, the three main expenses that you'd have as a purchaser. And that compares with, that would rent all day long for $420 and between $420 and $450 a week. So it's actually cheaper to buy, which is incredible. So it's those types of figures that are encouraging the first home buyers into the market, and it's also encouraging our clients, our owner clients, to expand their portfolio. And it's a very wise thing to do. So we're having a lot of fun with people coming in, first home buyers and also investors, and so they are starting to move, and it's just the maths on it that makes they're so compelling. So I would love you to come and have a talk to me, and if you want to chat about any areas in Hamilton, investment opportunities, come and see me. We're 99.25% full today, so that's means we're 0.75 of 1% currently empty. So the market is so strong. It's such a compelling reason to come into the Hamilton rental market. So welcome.